Hey, I've been waiting for a Fluvsies Academy YTP for 2 fucking months. Can you please release a new one? Because I've been waiting for it when you cancelled it for the new update of Fluvsies Academy. Fine, I'll do it, I guess.
Let's start our day at the garage.
Who's there for some reason? Aw, nah, bro.
Uh-oh.
My friend Lito Pablo.
Since when did bro speak Spanish for 4 years, bro?
Quickly.
Fuck me in the ass.
You said number 11.
Put on your baseball
Don't tell me we're going to go wait. I said that before. Don't tell me we're going to go gaming. Yeah, those were good old times.
Now, let's pack your handy-dandy toolbox.
Dude, we're not in Blue's Clue. Remember what Steve said in season 1?
Put it in our handy dandy.
Is that jumbo cable from Danny's room? Where am I?
Hey, get out of my show! You're not an object box encounter! Go back to Fluvsies Academy!
Ew.
That shit is disgusting.
Final step. Attach the jumper cable. Give this car a bubble bath. Client is waiting. Give
Oh no, we'll go again.